Welcome to second tutorial on bash scripting, and in this tutorial we are going to install the WSL Windows Subsystem for Linux for Windows users. So I'm going to navigate to this website. I've already installed this in my laptop before, so I'll just explain to you how to install it by navigating to the Kali website and navigate to the Kali WSL. Link will be in the description. So this installation step has been listed for you, so all you have to do is scroll down and install and copy here WSL install distribution Kali Linux. Copy it and paste in your command prompt. Since I've installed it before, I'm not going to install it again. So after it has finished installing, you can go on and type Linux and it will bring out you can now type in Kali and start working on Kali. Not only that, you can also install this via the Microsoft Store. Go to your Microsoft Store, look for Windows Subsystem for Linux, install it and run it. It will also bring out like this. Now if you want a visual representation of Kali, that is Kex, go to this website here, link in the description. It will also tell you all about Kex, where they have the Windows mode, seamless mode and enhanced mode, but the installation is all the same. It just depends the type of mode you will like to use. So to install it, scroll down to sudo app update, sudo app install y Kali WinX. So to run WinX is actually pretty simple. Come to your Kali and run Kex, and from there you put in your password and your Kali Kex will start immediately. As it opens, you can press F8 to change to full screen or F8 to remove full screen. Now this is more like a VirtualBox, but it's not a VirtualBox, rather a WSL. Now all the tools here is not pre-installed like VirtualBox. You are the one to install it, but since you are not going to be using any tool, I won't bother installing anything. All we just want is the terminal. And for the nature of this video, I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to be using the normal Kali here. So all I have to do is full screen, and I'm going to increase this the more in the next lesson. And in the next lesson, our real bash scripting starts. Thereby we start from navigating the terminal, learning about this terminal before we start bash scripting. I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, listing content and present working directory. See you.